How to create a Temu account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign off and log in to Temu. First of all, download Temu app on your phone. Once you install Temu, open it. And if you get this coupon pop-up, just tap on this cross icon. And now you will be landed in the Temu shopping dashboard. Now to make an account on Temu, here at the bottom middle, you will see the person icon. So tap on you or the person icon. And here you will be given to sign in or register. As you have to sign up for Temu, here select on sign in/register. Now you will be given 4 ways by which you can create your Temu account. First, you can continue with Google, and if you have Facebook, then you can log in with your Facebook account as well, and then you can create your account with email and phone number. Here the best option to sign in to Temu is by email address. So select on continue with email, and then here enter your email address and tap on continue. Now here create a strong password and then tap on register. Once you done that, it will ask you to add your phone number, but you can do it later. So let's tap on this cross icon. And now here you need to verify your email address. So here you will get the message to verify your email. Here tap on verify now. And for security, you have to solve a puzzle like this, and here they will give you hint what you're gonna do. Here I have to select the images in order. First motorcycle, then smartphone, car and jellyfish. So let me select these images in order. And let's tap on verify. And again here tap on verify now. Now you will receive a verification code on your email address. So enter the verification code here. And your email will be verified and your Temu account will be successfully created. And here at the top right, you can check your account information. So that's it. That's how you can sign up for Temu and log into your Temu account. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment. And if you want to create and set up an eBay account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.